start recording my video, yeah? Listen, Angel, sorry for that weird start to that video area because you see my husband, all him do is say things to make me have to really wonder if God really don't cast. But I never know where that come from. Anyways, welcome back to my channel, Angels. Alright, so if I'm gonna see me looking all crazy, I can't record my video in peace, sir. I can't tell the artist saying that I'm gonna make my video where they say my right lyrics. Anyways, so I know I look hella crazy right now. I'm gonna fix up myself by the clips go along, but I have to come and give this introduction so you know what I'm going from now. So to the April Fools, right? I'm really in the mood for prank somebody. I can't prank my boyfriend again because I give him myself this morning. So him already did a anything will come with him gonna assume say I prank him, so it now can't work on him. So I think come here and say, oh, me can't prank again. And then I say, you know, say mega prank my mother. I feel like mega prank my mother. But I'm nervous cause like my mother weird, you know, I never yet put something like this on her, like I've never tricked her before or lead her to believe something that's not true. So I don't know how this is gonna work out. I hope I can actually post this to my channel. I don't know, hopefully we can get a laugh out of it. I'm still not really sure I'm gonna prank her yet. But you know, I'm gonna see what going on. So the idea behind it is that I'm going to text her something crazy, I don't know. I don't know, I'm gonna text her something crazy and then see how she respond. And then I'll show you guys. And then I don't know, let's see if we can get her riled up to the point where she call me. I don't know, I'm not sure if I want to text her something where I'm gonna make she get angry, or if I'm gonna text her something where I'm gonna make she get sad and have to call me, or text her something where I'm gonna make she be like really happy and have to call me. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. I don't know. Anyways, hopefully we can figure it out by the next clip. But stay tuned for that one, yeah, Angels, because I don't know how I'm going to take up on myself for another Wednesday, yeah. Alright, Angels. Jesus, I look even crazier than me did look the last time I was on camera. Why am I look like this? I can't go on YouTube, sir. Alright, so my mother called me back, right? We just ain't gonna be called upon her because I never started the video yet. And I can't get left out of this, Angels. So anyway, hopefully she call me back quickly. Yeah, I stand up outside. Hopefully she call me back quickly. And then, you know, I can tell her. When she call me back, I'm not going to get for hear what I come up with for tell her. Hopefully this not backfire upon me. I feel like that prank is going to fail because my mother know me. And I feel like she can tell say Anna through me attack. But hopefully we catch her. You see me? Excuse me ear, Angels. I don't know what I'm going to feel today. But, I gotta just probably watch it and call me later. Alright. Should take very long for call me back though. So I'm gonna ring her. I have a challenge I'm gonna post my Insta. Alright. Hello? Mommy? What? Yeah, hear me?
Yeah.
Alright. You alone? Cause I can't do the excitement, you know. Yeah. Alright. Woo. Brace yourself. I found out some great news today. Well, I don't know if it's great news, but I'm excited. I'm pregnant. Oh gosh. How you feel?
You know what I say? I'm glad because I always hope and pray some children that we're married. But as I go, I everybody got married. You were married this time. Just be happy. You know why I'm happy. You know why I'm happy?
Why?
Because the truth is, I know say at one day it would have happened, but I was just saying I think that more of the guys that can't have baby, you know, I don't know, like. But the fact is, we just take the right time now. You do a lot, you know, you achieve a lot. Lord Jesus of mercy, we can't, but I like, yeah, but like you.
Alright, I have one more thing to tell you.
What?
Is a prank.
You?
April Fools.
No, you must do that. You must do that because the Prime Minister said nothing happened. The man just do it.
You said the Prime Minister said we're not for the April Fools today?
It's true, don't it, Jai? Jai, you know, the Prime Minister said we're not for the April Fool is banned for today. The man just,
Yeah.
April Fool, me.
My mother the best. I'm so sorry. Oh gosh, mommy, if me ever know say I say I gonna be excited, me wouldn't do this. Oh God, me not gonna lie, me feel good though. Me feel like I wanna cry, cause
Right now.
eh.
I'm honestly upset, man.
Oh God, don't alright. You know what? I can forget to do something nice for you. Oh God, don't be upset, mommy. I'm sorry.
Upset. Khadija, after my 2 years there.
Don't worry, soon. Don't worry, soon. You might just get the full package where you want with me being married before. At least me never make you start think too far ahead. I tell you quick.
I am so upset right now.
I'm sorry.
God, my story said, don't do that. Don't do that.
Oh gosh. Alright. Oh my gosh, angels. I had to cut the camera off and finish a conversation with her and then get back to you guys. That was actually very emotional. Like, I feel like more cry. Like, I had no idea that my mother would have been so excited if me for have a baby. You know what I mean? Like, I know me always know say should I be excited, but that warm my heart on another level, man. Nah lie. Like, I feel so emotional right now. I feel like me that just burst out in a tears. Like, I'm so sorry, mommy. I'm so sorry. Honestly. Honestly, I expected her to react like worried, like, oh my gosh, Khadija, alright, so how we are gonna do this and blah 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 blah. And then if I tell her say it's a prank, then she's gonna be like, oh, alright, you know, but she was so excited, like, oh gosh. I feel like I genuinely like hurt her feelings, like I feel like she's sad. Say what I tell her is not true. I don't know if this is a success or if it's a fail. You can comment down below and tell me. I don't even know if I want to post this. Alright, angels. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below what you thought about all of this. And remember to follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, you know the ropes. I think this is going to be my first and last prank ever in life. And peace out from my backyard.